All right, Crush, here's your Tuesday workout. We're progressing the back squat and the lunges. It is Tuesday, so back squat and lunge day for January, and I think it goes into February. Today, 5 to 6 minutes to warm up to 72.5% of your 1 rep max. It is a little bit heavier than last week, not much, but a little bit. We're gonna maintain at least 1 more week of going every 90 seconds, so 5 reps. Once you're warmed up, the whole class will go 5 sets of 5 with 1 set going every 90 seconds. And then, if you remember last week, if you had 3 people on your bar, you had to really hustle through to get 3 people in, just because that third, fourth, fifth set, you start to have a little fatigue. It takes a little longer, maybe close to 30 seconds to do those 5 reps. You got to really hustle if you have 3 people on a bar over there. But we're gonna run with that for 1 more week, 90 seconds. Maybe next week, as it gets a little heavier, we'll go every 2 minutes instead of every 90 seconds. And then last week we did 10 lunges per leg. Today we're gonna do 5 lunges per leg every 2 minutes. You'll put a 45-pound plate underneath the bar, like where you back squat. You're gonna take that bar off, or maybe you have it back a little bit, where you take the bar off and then you step onto it. But you're gonna be standing with both feet on the 45, step off the 45 with whichever leg. That knee should touch the ground. So a little bit of a deficit in that lunge, and then drive back up and step back up onto that plate. Your feet should not shuffle. If you step back with your right foot, your left foot should stay on that plate until your right foot gets back on that plate. Don't kind of have them come off and shuffle it around. Maybe do 5 one leg and 5 the other, or you can go every other, it doesn't matter. But you should be able to get much heavier this week than last week. Last week, you couldn't get too heavy with those. This week, when we've done these in the past, for example, last week, I saw a lot of guys getting like anywhere from maybe 65 to 100 pounds-ish. This week, I'm guessing you'll be able to almost start with 95 pounds on the bar for a lot of guys and get much, much heavier. First of all, it's fewer reps, and it's just a much easier variation of the lunge. But I would encourage you to add weight every round, trying to get really heavy with that last set. It's a really hard set of 5 per leg. And we'll put all that away. We're gonna finish those legs off, which should be a pretty nasty Metcon. Should be pretty quick also. It's only 45 reps, but it's 21-15-9. I admit I'm stuck on that rep scheme a lot this month. You'll see it a lot this month, of wall balls and thrusters. So 21 wall balls, 21 thrusters, 15-15, 9-9. It should be pretty quick, a pretty intense workout, and it'll finish off those legs. And that's your Tuesday. Have a good Tuesday.